Hello everyone, welcome back to Decorating with Barbara, and if you are here for the first time, welcome. Well, today guys, I'm going to share with you how I decorated my deck for summer. I'm also going to be collaborating with two other YouTubers, Anita from Rolling with Anita and Chanel from Angelic Interiors by Chanel. Now we will be sharing how we decorated our outdoor spaces for summer. So if you are interested in getting some summer decorating ideas, keep watching my video and then head over and see their videos. And then I will link both their channels in my description box as well as in an end screen at the end of this video. So guys, my goal in decorating this space was to bring in some lighter accessories to brighten the dark cushions of the chairs. So this is a reversible cushion, and I'm going to use the striped side, and then I will be adding some light pillows that I got from Home Goods. And these are outdoor pillows. And then next I will be adding some faux succulents and a citronella candle. Okay, so here I'm adding some solid pillows from indoors, and I only bring these pillows out when I'm entertaining so that it feels more like the indoor living space. And then I brought out a cotton throw for those early mornings when I'm having my coffee. So here on this table, guys, I'm going to place a lantern with a must-have citronella candle for outdoor entertaining. And then I will be adding a faux plant to balance out the live fern on the other side, and then a little decor. And so this is how it turned out, guys. And I added the light colored rug on top of the gray rug just for a little brighter appearance in this space. And of course there's my second lantern and another citronella candle. So here on this side, this is a table that my husband put together, and then I just have a little decor, and then we will put whatever food or drink that we will be serving for the evening. And on this side, this is a few ways that we use this dinner table. And if you guys would like to see the full tablescape video, I will have that listed in an end card at the end of this video. And guys, this is a nighttime view of the deck. So guys, don't forget to go over and check out Anita and Chanel's channel. I'm sure they have some awesome ideas to share with you. And if you saw something in this video that you liked, and you are not a subscriber, I would love it if you would consider subscribing. I want to thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.
do it. Yes, you can do it. Decorating with Barbara. You can do it. You can do it. Yes, you can do it. Decorate